distortions. You started after you.
So we're taking an Eye Print Pro impression of this young man's right eye. How you feeling?
Yeah,
Are
fine.
you still breathing?
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty good.
Okay, good.
Yeah. It's a painless procedure and looks good. We're going to keep this on for about 2 minutes. And from this impression, once we take the this tray, it's called a tray, and the impression material's on the tray, and when we take it off, we'll send this off to a special laboratory where 3D printing technology is used to replicate every single feature on the front of his eye, the white of the eye and the cornea, onto the back surface of the scleral lens. There's only one laboratory in the world that does this, and there's only a few doctors in the world that do it also. But it's great technology for patients with keratoconus,